Dear brothers and sisters, India still depends heavily on coal, oil, and gas to power its economy. These fuels are expensive, polluting, and geopolitically risky. Our channel, Mission Viksit India, discusses new and innovative ideas in every video to help make India a fully developed nation by the year 2047. Today we're going to talk about a remarkable gift of modern science, developed by scientists in Britain, a new energy gift that powers the sun. Stay with us till the end of the video and do share your thoughts in the comments. Now science is offering humanity a completely new energy path, the same energy that powers the sun itself. This energy is called nuclear fusion. The real question is not whether fusion is possible, the real question is India preparing its students to lead this energy revolution? What is exactly fusion energy and why it matters the most to India? Nuclear fusion is the process in which light atoms combine to form heavier atoms, releasing enormous energy. This is not science fiction, it is the process that has powered the sun and stars for billions of years. Fusion energy promises: first, carbon-free electricity; second, almost unlimited fuel from hydrogen; third, minimal long-lived radioactive waste; and fourth, a permanent solution to climate change and energy insecurity. Fusion is not just another power source, it can redefine India's energy future. Why India needs a dedicated fusion energy engineering curriculum. Fusion will not succeed through machines alone, it will succeed through people. If India wants to move away from fossil fuels, it must create a new generation of fusion-ready engineers and scientists. That is why India needs a dedicated fusion energy engineering curriculum from undergraduate level to PhD. What students will learn in fusion tech curriculum? This curriculum will combine physics, engineering, AI, and energy systems. Core subjects can include plasma physics and magnetohydrodynamics, tokamak and stellar radar engineering, fusion materials for extreme heat and radiation, AI-based plasma control and reactor automation, fusion safety, power conversion, and grid integration, hydrogen economy and industrial energy applications. Students will not be taught unrealistic promises. They would be trained to turn fusion into a practical energy system. What can be the job opportunities by fusion energy engineering? Fusion energy engineering will create an entirely new industrial ecosystem in India. Fusion power generation jobs include roles like fusion reactor engineer, plasma control engineer, tokamak operations scientist, and fusion safety engineer. These exciting positions will be found in future fusion power plants, national energy missions, and public-private fusion projects. These professionals will generate India's first fusion electricity. Fusion materials and manufacturing jobs are another major area. Here, you'll find roles such as high-temperature materials engineer, radiation shielding specialist, and advanced alloy and ceramic scientist. These jobs will be in heavy engineering companies, advanced manufacturing clusters, and even aerospace and defense labs. Fusion will demand new factories and new manufacturing skills. AI, control systems, and digital fusion jobs are also on the rise. Roles include AI plasma control engineer, fusion simulation scientist, and digital twin and control analyst. You'll see these professionals working in AI and deep tech companies, energy automation firms, and smart grid and control startups. Fusion simply cannot operate without AI-driven precision. Fusion energy outlets and distribution jobs are crucial too. Roles like fusion grid integration engineer, energy storage and hydrogen systems expert, and industrial energy planner will be needed. Energy outlets will include the national power grid, green hydrogen production, steel, cement, and heavy industries, as well as data centers, EV charging, and future cities. Fusion energy will power both homes and industries, really changing the way we live and work. Research, PhD, and global opportunities will also open up. Pathways include IITs, IISc, IPR, TIFR, ITR, and international fusion laboratories, and collaborations in the UK, USA, Europe, and Asia. This curriculum prepares students for world-class research careers. Startups and entrepreneurship will thrive as well. Startup opportunities will emerge in fusion simulation software, reactor components and sensors, energy storage and hydrogen systems, and fusion safety and monitoring solutions. Fusion will create job seekers and job creators, both. This is an honest truth. This curriculum does not promise fusion power tomorrow, but it does promise that India will build fusion-ready talent, reduce fossil fuel dependence step by step, and lead clean energy technology in the long run. This curriculum is not designed to promise immediate fusion electricity, but to prepare engineers and scientists who can solve the remaining scientific and engineering challenges. Fusion power plants will take decades to mature, but education and workforce preparation cannot wait until the technology is complete. No country today knows with certainty which fusion design, tokamak, stellarator, or hybrid systems will ultimately become commercially dominant. We need to create a new generation, a new energy era. The nation that learns to harness the sun's power on Earth will define the next century. India has the talent. India has the urgency. What India needs now is the right education. Fusion energy is not just the future. It is India's path to true energy independence. Fusion is not a short-term replacement for fossil fuels, but a long-term foundation for energy sovereignty and climate stability. If the future's energy is like the sun, India must prepare today to bring it to Earth. Mission Viksit India exists to give India's research and development a new direction, new speed, and new courage. Do you believe fusion energy can become India's next energy revolution? Should India pursue it through regular curriculum, creating a new young generation to take up the responsibility to create this fusion energy, and to take up all its related ancillary responsibilities to make India independent of fossil fuel? Do you believe that a truly developed India will be one where frontier science and advanced technologies form the central pillar of Viksit Bharat, rather than remaining with peripheral ambitions? Today, when information technology opportunities are in decline, India must chalk out a new path of frontier technologies to leap ahead in the world for creating very large job opportunities for Indian youth and foreign youth alike. We invite you to share your views in the comments, send your email requests to All India Council of Technical Education and Union Ministry of Science and Technology to start this new engineering curriculum titled Fusion Energy Engineering to make India a global leader in this frontier technology. Subscribe for more content focused on future science, innovation, and India's long-term technological leadership. Thank you for watching till the end. Jai Hind.